If you're looking for fans this summer, I think I've got you covered with those standing fan needs. These are three of my favorites, and I want to kind of compare and see the pros and the cons and how they stack up. We've got here the LEVOIT. This is clearly smaller than the Lasko, so you've got the LEVOIT, the Lasko, and the Dreo. The Dreo here, I won't bury the lead. I think it's my favorite. The Dreo is just design-wise, the look of it, but also the throw. 29 feet of air being propulsed by this fan is fantastic. This has 4 speed, this has 3 speeds, and this one here has 5 speeds. Now, the 5 speeds doesn't mean that it's more air flow. It means that the first speed, and this is where, if you want the quietest fans, I think this one here by LEVOIT would be at number 1. So basically at speed 1 would be the quietest fan for your needs if you need absolute quietness. If you're looking for power, this is definitely the one that you would want to get. They do all come with remotes. This remote, they do provide the battery. This remote here, they do not. So the Lasko, you will need to put some AAA batteries there that are not included. And the LEVOIT also includes their batteries in their really cool little remote right here. They all oscillate, but they all oscillate a little bit different. This one here has a 90-degree oscillation. This one here only has 60. So you're looking at kind of like the 90s and the 60. I think you can add up all of the stats right now. I think if you're looking for power and kind of like throw around a bigger room, definitely this one. If you're looking for a smaller room, maybe a bedroom at night, some quiet time, definitely this one. I think you cannot go wrong if you're looking for a bigger, taller fan and it's going to be a little closer to you, maybe in the living room while you're watching TV, this one would be fantastic as well. So it's kind of hard, but man, we love them all.